saw, wait.
It's so soft.
Bring the dog. That creep is under the car waiting. Take him a little closer.
No. Let me get my...
Wait.
That junk is coming.
That crazy cat actually chasing the dog. It's like, come back. Now you know who Pupu is. Did she? I never got this far.
Is it soft?
Yeah, you could touch him.
Go home.
Get to your house. Antele. Don't look back.
The mouth's open, but I didn't hear nothing. Go home, Pupu.
Shoo, Pupu. Leave the dog alone.
Get your house.
Go home. Go now. That's not your home.
You won't get lost when you go home.
Don't look. I'll put my dog to eat you. He's still coming.
Get your house. Go home. Can I touch you?
Don't look so vexed. Make your face nice. Make your face nice. Go home. Alright, see you later. Peace out, y'all.